can see, we have already those cut onions, right? So not to waste. Other side, you can either soak this for 1 week until the roots comes out, or either pull it directly to the ground. Yeah. So yeah, here we go. We have here few. This is just only for our family consumption, you know. Yeah, like that. Of course, have to weed it until they will grow like that. Or in either way, if you have like onions, the whole bulb that's already sprouting, then you can plant it directly like that underground. See, until you wait like few months until they grow up. We have here already, we planted like few months, maybe a month. I forgot then. So what will happen is, from one tube that cut onion, it will grow like this and it will spread bulbs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in one plant we have 4 bulbs of onions. The other one we have 2, and some are already still growing. So it's just like that, very simple, not to waste and plant the whole bulb of onion. You just kind of make sure to use the other parts of it and then leave the middle thing with its roots, and then you can plant them directly underground. They grow well on hot season. They don't need to be watered a lot, like say for example a whole day. They just need mist, because they don't need to water too much, or else the roots will be rotten and no bulb or onion will grow. We learned that from our own experience as well. So just to save a penny from buying from the supermarket, but let's few months from now, you have your own spring onions, DIY from scratch.